probably didn't want to get out of bed this morning. Number one, a TV production warehouse can assemble 120 TVs in 4 hours. How long does it take to make one TV? Alright, so the first thing we do is we take 120 TVs in 4 hours. What is 120 TVs in 4 hours? So that equals 30 TVs per 1 hour. But if I want to figure out how long it takes to make one TV, I have to change the hour to what? To what? Minutes. So then that would equal, so this is when I do like my cross cancellation, 1 hour is 60 minutes, and I cancel my hours out. So then it would be 30 TVs, you do the multiplication here, so it would be 30 TVs for 60 minutes. Then you do your division in your calculator, and you get 0.5 TVs per minute. Number 2, Louisa sells stuffed animals. She sells a stuffed elephant for $34.90, and the sales tax is 6% of the sale price. About how much is the sales tax on the elephant? Well, I take my original price. You can do your is over of method. It doesn't matter. But I'm not going to do the is over of method. I'm going to take this, and I know that 6% is 0.06. And then I get, once I put it in my calculator, this, but then it says about, so I need to round it to the nearest penny. So it's about $2.09 for the tax. Did you have a question? Can you do what, huh? Yeah. Oh yeah, I guess I didn't finish it. So yeah, because the question, going back to number 1, it says how long does it take to make one TV? We said it was a half a TV per minute, so that's only a half a TV, right? So we want to figure out how long it takes to make a whole TV. Well, we need 2 of those, so it'd be 2 minutes per TV. Thank you. Did I make any mistakes on number 2? It's Monday for me too, I guess. Number 3, you needed to write what out? Slope, yes, equals y. Tell me that, guys.
2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Okay, and then you guys should always remember that it's x comma y, right? And my points are 8, -2, -7, 10. So I do y2 is 10, minus y1 is a -2, over x2 is -7, minus x1 is 8. Rule of integers, keep, change, change, so that becomes 12. Keep, change, change, so I'm adding 2 negatives, so a -7 and a -8 becomes a -15. But I need to make sure I do what to my numbers? Many of you forgot to do that on Friday. What do I need to do? Reduce 5, 3 equals 4 over -5. Then we need to say, what does the 4 represent? What am I doing? Okay, right, up 4, and what does the -5 represent? Left 5. There is your final answer. This Friday on the quiz, if you don't reduce and if you don't put the directions, I am counting it wrong. Number 4, a ratio of a model car to a regular car is 1 to 16. 1 to 16. So this is the model. This would be the real one. Model is always on top. Your model or your scale is always on top. And it says the model is 6.25 inches. So if this is my model, model to model, I need to figure out what the real is, so I'm going to put an X there. And I find this by doing what? Cross multiplication. So 16 times 2.25 equals X.
6.25.
Oh, thank you. See? My goodness. 16 times 6.25 is 100. And it'd be 100 inches equals X. 5, we have 7/5 equals A over 8. Yes.
I need to find number 4 in feet and inches. What is the actual length of the car in feet and inches?
Oh, man. Thank you. See, there's my other one. Gosh, I'm going to owe push-ups today. All right. So that's inches, but it says, what is it in feet and inches? So what do I do with my 100? Divide it by 12. And 12 goes in there 8 times, which is 96. 4 left. So it's 8 feet 4 inches. I'm glad you guys are on it today and you can help me out. Alright, so can I move on to number 5? Cross multiplication. 7 times 8 equals 5A. 7 times 8 is 56. 56 equals 5A, so I divide by 5 on both sides. 56 divided by 5, put it in my calculator, and I'm going to leave it with a decimal. 11.2 equals A. How many of you made it 11 and 1/5? That would have been 5 too. 6. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 4 and 6. Which measurement cannot be the length of the third side? You need to write this down. Side A plus side B is greater than C. Side B plus side C is greater than A. Side C plus side A is greater than B. I want you to be writing that down. If you don't have it written down, you need to write it down. So if I know sides are 4 and 6, let's try A. Is it greater than 6? Yes. And then 6 plus 6, would that be greater than 4?
Yes.
Yes. So does 6 work?